Imagine managing debtor information with just a few clicks. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Welcome to the world of SWRS, where efficiency meets simplicity. Let's explore how this powerful tool can transform your collection process. Ready to dive in? Head over to www.swrecovery.com. Spot the Login Portal button on the homepage and click it. Use your username and password to log in securely. Forgot your details? No worries, the New to Client Services form has you covered. Once logged in, you're at the heart of the SWRS client portal. Here, you can manage your debtor information seamlessly. Let's move on to uploading debtor details, a crucial step in streamlining your collection process. Click the Upload Debtors button to begin. Enter the company name or responsible party in the File Description field. Choose your file from your local drive. Remember, your file should include invoices, contact details, and more. Keep in mind the 20 MB file size limit. If needed, label multi-part uploads clearly. Once ready, click Send File to complete the upload. You'll receive a confirmation message ensuring your data is securely uploaded. By mastering the SWRS client portal, you're boosting your company's efficiency. Need help? Our client services team is just a call away. Stay tuned for more tips to optimize your business processes. Let's recap. You've learned to navigate the SWRS portal and upload debtor information effortlessly. By doing so, you're enhancing your company's efficiency and ensuring a smoother collection process. Ready to take action? Log in to the SWRS client portal today and start managing your debtor information with ease. Together, let's make your business processes more efficient and effective.